across the UK. Now, we have actually, this satellite picture probably could win an award. I think it's absolutely beautiful, but that's because I'm a weather nerd. But you've got this curl here to the northwest, which is an area of low pressure coming our way for later. You've got this band here sliding south, which is a weather front. And that's the marker between the milder air that's still just about clinging on across the south of the UK and the colder Arctic air that's flooded in for many now. Through this afternoon, the front will push some more cloud into southern England. Some drizzly rain come the evening here as well. Elsewhere, a lot of sunshine, yes, but it will feel cold. It's quite breezy out there already, and we'll get some further snow showers being carried in to northern and western Scotland. Quite a few actually making their way through the central belt as well. Now, remember that curl on the satellite picture towards the northwest? That comes into play overnight, and for Scotland, it is going to get quite stormy. It's also going to get quite cold. There'll be quite a widespread frost across the northern half of the UK. Temperatures close to freezing, perhaps just above further south. But with the cold air and this area of low pressure slamming into it during the small hours of Thursday on into the morning rush hour, we have a kind of three-pronged attack. There's a risk of ice first thing, there's a risk of some snow, and with gale force winds there could be blizzard conditions, particularly of course across higher routes, but also the winds themselves could be damaging, gusting up to 50 to 60 miles per hour. So a messy morning across Scotland. The low though does head off into the North Sea for the afternoon. It will still be a breezy story across the board. The wind will carry in some more isolated showers to western reaches, perhaps a few down into the Midlands and Wales. A colder story for everyone, certainly colder to the south after temperatures in double figures today. We must factor in the wind there when we talk about our temperatures for tomorrow and step outside somewhere like Aberdeen. 2 degrees on the thermometer, it's going to feel more like -4. Overnight Thursday into Friday, that low heads off towards Scandinavia. High pressure builds, it all actually goes almost eerily quiet. The wind falls light, it's very still, and we set up for a widespread and hard frost for first thing Friday. -10 possible in some of the Scottish glens with lying snow, but a beautiful looking start to Friday, I think, with some widespread sunshine. Frosty, yes, perhaps some freezing fog in places for a time through the day. Sun a bit hazier in the afternoon as some high cloud comes in. It should feel a bit milder. We'll have a lighter wind and the temperatures will be somewhat higher. For the weekend, well, it's all relative. The temperatures will come up somewhat, but it looks like the weather could get very lively indeed. Ben.